Stay fire in the hole.
I can't see it.
Not too bad I can.
Woo!
You missed it.
That ain't nothing.
What the hell? I thought your sight was on.
I can't see it.
You just shoot.
He's right above it.
Oh, you hit it. It didn't go off.
Nothing.
He knocked it over.
You knocked it over.
I think you knocked it over.
Well, who wants to go check?
Not me.
Get in your truck. Whoa! Holy crap! That was sweet! You feel that concussion?
Targets are off the T-post. Look at the T-post. Look at the T-post.
Look at that cloud, dude. Did you feel that concussion, man? That was sweet.
Shook the ground.
That was awesome.
Ethan, say good shot.
Golly.
Man, I'm on my phone and take that and go.
I left mine at home.
That was like, you see like the ripple and everything on there.
Chase is next. It's the target. That's